Hello everyone and welcome back to Savvy Tech Talk. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the JBL Charge 4. The material of the JBL Charge 4 is a durable fabric. It is rated at IPX7, meaning that it can be submerged for up to 30 minutes in water. It also can float in water as well. Later in the video, I'm going to do a demonstration of that water test just to show you exactly how it performs in water. Now the siding is pretty soft and durable, as well as the back is like a soft rubberized feel. The back flap also has a USB-C, that's how it charges, a headphone jack, and a USB outlet to plug up stuff. It also is supposed to have 20 hours of battery, and it is Bluetooth 4.2 instead of 5. These are the controls. The first one is the JBL Connect button. You can connect multiple JBL devices as long as they support the JBL feature. Next is the volume down, the power button, the Bluetooth button, the volume up, and the play/pause button. This is the JBL Connect app. I'm going to be demonstrating how we connected the Charge 4 to a Flip 4 that we have already. And that is my review of the JBL Charge 4. Thank you for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out other videos that are on my page as well. Thank you for checking out Savvy Tech Talk. Until next time.